I just found this to be the most impactful, and vitamin C. Vitamin C is a moisturizer, like yeah. Thank me later. Thank me later. Alright. Your rosacea laser is done. How bad was that?
That was fine.
That was not that bad.
No.
So now let the infusion run. So infusion is gonna run for another five minutes or so. I had added the glutathione, and then let me bring some sunscreen. If you're not going exposing your face.
No.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you a moisturizer, some samples of some really nice moisturizers for the night, which I would suggest considering for at night to replace your retinol with. And I understand that your clogging can happen. This laser will help with the clogging too. However, you can just do a regular facial.
Right, yeah.
Like every now and then.
I have been doing that,
Yeah.
A lady in town.
Okay, and then you're due for your Botox.
Yes.
On the forehead. So once you're done over there, you find out when is your next appointment. You do that because I'm sure that that's something that's probably making you feel tired also because it's weighing away.
Yeah.
It's an anti-aging
See where
medication.
the next one is.
Because then I can do your site.